Yes, I want to get some pictures of the farmers market. Is there something at the cornucopia? Do they have a chili here? Karen?
Yes, they do.
Well,
I'm going to go to the drugstore. You can have a chili here.
oh no. I'll meet you at the hall, Karen.
Or I guess I can still go to the hall. I can. Maybe we'll go later. And let Sarah drive me to check my winning tickets.
Yeah.
Or losing tickets. I basically wanted to go to the drugstore.
Look at this ice. I'm going to go over onto this a bit. I think I'm just going to sort of stay on the road unless there's a car coming. That looks really icy over there. Yeah. The bookstore, the pharmacy, the knick-knack shop, and coffee place. Boy, my nose is freezing. That wind is just sheer. So we're heading to the hall. This is where the Castor Farmers Market is today for Winterfest. And Sarah and Paige are there. Yes.
It's very cool. I like it.
Sleeping all night, wake up in the morning.
Oh, how are you?
Oh, he's filming it. You
Sure,
filming today?
why not? I am filming today, yes.
Right on.
Oh, not too bad. I just made my buckboard bacon.
Okay.
You know.
All beef hot dogs and smoking.
Oh, I do all that stuff myself. I graduated from Olds. Yeah. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Making a movie.
Yeah, I'm covering it a little bit. Retirement's kind of tough on the finances, so
yes.
you guys gotten obviously into the
Yes.
wood burning, but Karen and I sat down and talked. She didn't want me traveling far away or here or gone. And so about a month ago we started Outlaw Video and Radio. So we do have a radio station through live365.com. And that's where we get our licensing and stuff like that, broadcast Canada, United States and Europe. And but we decided, well, what are we going to do here? And we decided to leave the station just straight music, no talk.
Okay.
And we'll do all the talk and stuff like that, multimedia through video, and you know. And then when she finally retires from the lodge, from the extended care, we're just going to go traveling rural Alberta,
Yeah.
covering farmers markets and all these sorts of things. We live right here in Castor.
Okay.
You know, my wife works at the extended care.
Okay.
I worked in the transportation industry until I broke my back here a couple of years ago. And they found out the reason why I broke my back is because I had degenerative bone disease. So they said,
No more
even
working.
if you're not recovered,
Pick up
yeah,
knitting.
exactly, you're gonna have to find yourself something to do.
Yeah.
And that scared the living daylights out of me. I didn't know what I wanted to do.
I retired at 60 and got into this and painting. And I'm an avid fisherman, so this is my winter.
My son would love to put that one in the house.
I laughed when he did that one. I thought that was funny.
Oh, it is. It's great. Yeah. So, I wonder what my wife's up to. And where are you guys from?
Town here.
You're from town as well?
Yeah, been here a couple of years now.
Okay, where did you come from before that? I mean,
Carsland,
okay, yeah.
south of Stratford.
Yeah. Okay. Well, it gets a little bit more expensive down in the south. So
Yes.
Yeah.
it's very expensive here too.
It
like,
will.
the
It
properties.
will. Right now it's bearable.
We'll see a lot of the people that come here. We look at some of the houses sold across the street. The Dietz's house. Those people are from Ontario, of course.
Right.
They were able to pay the house with what they could sell their house for, and
That,
there.
we did the same.
And there were a few people who came right from Toronto who still work in Toronto, but they work from home. And they came here because they could not afford to buy a house or even live, you know. I mean, I spent in 1985, I left for Toronto, and at that point in time I was a journalist, and because there was no work here. And I was up in Edgerton at the time. And so I said, I'm going to go to Ontario. Oh, a big mistake.
Yeah.
I met my wife there, but I mean, other than
Yeah.
that, it was just, the insanity was just too much. And
I've
but-
never been to Toronto. I have no desire to go to Toronto.
well, Karen has no desire to go back now. She's born and raised in Ontario. She's born in Scarborough, but her family farm is north of Kitchener.
Okay.
So she grew up rural as well. But we spent 13 years there because she taught school there.
Okay.
And after all, I finally convinced her, saying, And this was after baby number 3 was on the way, so we can't stay here.
Yeah.
We can't afford it. We can't afford it, and our kids won't get the education that they need because they'll be too busy getting pulled into other things. It was very beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Are you the official media guy?
Nope. That would be my daughter. She's doing pictures for the paper.
Awesome.
I, upon having to consider or being forced into retirement, my wife and I, in order to keep me home, we started a radio station and video channel, which is Outlaw Video and Radio. And we're on Facebook, YouTube, live365.com is where the radio station is at. But when we developed the radio station, we're still developing because we're still adding more and more songs to it. We decided that we wrap it into classic rock, country, folk, and leave it to music, and that we do the talk and the video and stuff like that on the multimedia platforms. And so yeah, but that's the journalist of the family now.
You've been
But
roped into it, eh?
well, Kevin is the Winterfest king and Lynn. So, and he would normally be the one that would be doing it. Sarah's the journalist over at Sylvan Lake.
Should make my way back over.
Candles.
Knock them off, then give me $30.
Take a man and put it down there.
How you doing, sir? Oh, very good, very good.
Bye.
Hey, how are you?
If you mess that up, you're going to be dealing with racing. Oh, no, you're very nice. You guys get a 50-50 ticket?
How much are the tickets?
They're $20 a ticket. Went up to $10,000.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I know you sure enjoy
Karen can buy hers at work.
neighbor, so. Yeah. But you know what you guys do? And he likes to talk, and you guys like to talk. Bill and he and his are. Cylinders for $100.
Holy jeez, Karen. Look who's here. Eating a taco salad. Hey, I gotta remember that. I give Hanton my last bit for free.
How are you guys?
Oh, not too bad. Trying to stay afloat.
Aren't we all?
Something a little harder than it is otherwise. You know. Oh, where did they ditched me again.
And your thing turned off.
No, it didn't.
didn't? Oh, okay.
It just goes to sleep. It's still recording.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry, that just shows. Okay, we're gonna let the screen sleep a bit. I don't know. I haven't lost any video yet, ever. Where's Chad?
He's taking Ethan to hockey.
Oh, that's right too. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, they're
Need I say more? Okay. Yeah, no, I made buckboard bacon here the other day. Yeah. And Sarah's at home, so it just about disappeared. I don't think I even had a chance to get most of it in the smokehouse. See you later.
not actually part of the series, but she kind of makes her choice between the English guy and the Alberta guy. Yeah. Pretty much. Pretty much. There's a bunch of horses in that. She ends up in England, in Cornwall, as a working student at a 3-day event barn. So there's lots of horses and jumping and stuff.
Yeah, I love these three.